Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can research using AirDNA. So this is the home page where, of course, I have set the country location as United States. You can go worldwide and change your location. So now it shows me the short-term market, for United States. So we have a different cities right here, different markets. These are, some of them are mid-tier cities. You'll get smaller cities, rural cities like this, and also urban metro cities. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and also look at some submarkets, and they also have sale properties, so properties that are listed for sale. And let's look at some submarkets right now. We have Riverside, okay. We have Midtown St. Louis. Let me open this up in a new tab. We're going to go in and look at that. We have San Juan, Carolina. We have the Las Vegas Strip. Let's look at this. All right, you can also see the short-term rental listings right here, and here you can browse through, Airbnb and see what kind of properties that are available and what kind of revenue potential you can expect from such properties. So here we have a 13 bed, 7 bath, able to have 16 guests in Texas East area. It has a revenue potential of about $1.7 million a year. It's usually at 96% occupancy. It's listed on Airbnb. If I click on this, it will also open up the Airbnb listing right here. And you can go ahead and view it. You can see the prices they have. They have only 4 reviews at 5 stars, right? So you can go ahead and take a look at the Airbnb listings as well. And now let me show you, they also have properties that are listed for sale. So if I come here, you can see all the different properties that they have on a sale. This is right about $1 million. This one is in River Oaks Drive in Las Vegas, $245,000. Revenue potential right here is, yeah, that's actually a decent one, but the occupancy is not as high as I would like. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at the properties we opened right here. So we're going to wait for this to load up. So we have one in Midtown St. Louis. So this market is performing really, really well. The sub market has a score of 100, and this score is based on 1, investability, 2, rental demand, 3, revenue growth, seasonality, and regulation. So there is a lot of seasonality here, which is not that great. It's not that stable throughout the year. So here, the annual revenues have been going up about 5%. Occupancy rates have been increasing 67%. It's decent. It's decent. And the average daily rate is going down right now. Okay, so if you go down in Midtown St. Louis, there's only 25 active listings. Maybe this could be an under-tapped market. And if you see listings by rental size, you'll see that it's only 1 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms and 3 bedrooms. There's no 4 bedrooms, no 5 bedrooms. Maybe that could be an underserved, market, right? You could go ahead and try for that. But as you can see, most people are doing 1 bedroom. So maybe if you come in and provide more 2 or 3 bedrooms, maybe you can break out in the market that way. And here they also have listings by rental channels. We have about 58% are listed on Airbnb, and then there's Verbo, and there's both. And of course, there's others that are not showing right here. And here you can see that the rental growth in the last 3 years, the number of active listings, it has been going up, but here it seems like during these months, they go down, they unlist it, I guess due to the seasonality they have right here going on. And here you can go ahead and see what kind of amenities these kind of listings have. So before you buy a property, you know what you should be looking at. So the occupancy rate is decent. And during May's the peak season, length of stay on average, people stay for about 3.4 days. Booking lead time, which means how much in advance people are booking. And right here, what you can do is you can see the average monthly occupancy. And I can do this over also the last 3 years. And let's see if it has gone up or down. It's actually been going down. So you might want to take that into account as well. And on average, the length of stay has also been going down by about 13%. Take that into account as well. Of course, you can export these as CSV, go ahead and download that data. Now, here is the map, right? So I come here and I click on a property. For example, let's click on a property right here, this one. And you can see right here, this is a 1900 building, 2-bed, 2-bath. Let's go ahead and open it up. The revenue potential is not good at all, as you can see already. That is okay, this one is much better. It's a 3-bedroom. Okay, right here, guys, you see this? This one was this is the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and the annual revenue, they're not doing well. So they are listed on Airbnb and Verbo, but their annual revenues are not good, and it could be doing much better, honestly. So let's look at something that's doing much better. So this is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. Okay, we'll open this up. It does revenues of, let's see when this loads up. It is doing a revenue of $43.6 thousand dollars annually, and the revenue potential is there. You could still get more out of this. It is occupies 76% of the time, good ratings, right? And this is the average daily rate. So this shows that there is a market and there is demand for 3-beds. So you could go ahead and look for 3-bedroom properties in this area. Let's look at another property. Let's look at this one right here. What is going on with this? So here you can also hover over them and see how they're doing. This one's doing decent. Okay, 74%, of course, occupancy, revenue, $24,000. And you just repeat the process and see what kind of homes are doing well. And then you can go ahead and look for those for investment, investment purposes, right?